Okay, I'm going to show y'all what we finished this weekend. We are so proud and excited about this. Oh my gosh, it's such a relief to have it done. Look at that gorgeous floor. We just finished the final piece of flooring in the 900 square foot mother-in-law suite. A couple of weekends ago, I did some whitewashing of the little kitchen cupboards, and we got them plugged in. So we have a fully functioning kitchen now, and got a little bitty coffee maker there, and some silverware or flatware, and coffee cups, and salt and pepper, and tea and filters, and a whole bunch of stuff. Refrigerator works, although the ice maker doesn't, so we'll have to bring some ice up for guests. But look at this floor. Jim and I came up with this idea for transitioning between the dining and kitchen area and the living area, and we just love it because it just really subtle but yet distinctive. And this is the rest of the living room. We've got a rug down right now just basically to protect that beautiful floor. And here's some more of it. The red color is just amazing. And this is a little bit of the view outside. And then we'll go in here and show you some more of the flooring. We got it done in the hallway. And we got it finished in the master bedroom. We've got two big old mattresses here so we could figure out the size of the big 4-poster beds that are going to be coming in. And although we put all the extra rugs in there now, we finished the master bedroom closet flooring too. So we accomplished a lot this weekend. I swear to God, I'm so excited to get all this behind me. So all that's really left now is the floor molding, which we'll put in the next month or two. We need to add the doors to the mother-in-law master's bedroom and the closet. Although we do have a door to the bathroom, it doesn't have a lock on it yet. And then we need to add a door to the main room closet. And then we need a door at the entrance. But if you peek out here, you know, the deck's going up, and we're getting really close to getting that done. We may have the railings up by next Friday, Labor Day weekend. You still won't be able to get out on the deck from here because we've got this fence up across the doors that are supposed to be replaced by Window World, but they've been having some issues getting raw materials. So it's going to be about November 22nd before we get those doors replaced. But anyway, we're so excited about how we finished getting a major piece of this room done and the apartment done. So this is Sunday, August 29th, I believe. So I hope you enjoyed the tour.